Thembinkosi Lorch has just signed for Mamelodi Sundowns yesterday on deadline day. Yeah, there were speculations during the day. He was trending on social media. A lot of people thought that maybe the deal won't happen, but yeah, it finally happened. Orlando Pirates announced it that Thembinkosi Lorch has just joined Mamelodi Sundowns. Yeah, so he's going to be unveiled today or this weekend. So I just want to hear from you. What do you think of this move by Thembinkosi Lorch? Is he going to be a great player at Mamelodi Sundowns? Will he contribute to the success? Definitely we know that he's going to win titles, which is something that he deserves. But how do you think Orlando Pirates supporters are feeling at the moment? Because right now Mamelodi Sundowns definitely has the best players in the country by far. They should win everything and anything right now. Yeah, so let me hear your thoughts down below. See you next time.